Hello. Today, let's go over how to look good without makeup. First, we need a good skincare routine. So first, let's do our Ultra Glow Toner. This is the Sephora brand. It works really well. I like the way it gets everything off my face. We'll just go around everywhere with it. I like to do my eyes last, just because there's often a lot of stuff there from the night before. Lovely. Then we are going to put on some retinol cream, and if you start using retinol cream and you are new to it, you're going to have a week-long adjustment period where your skin can kind of purge the impurities, and it can be very irritated, especially around your eyes. That is normal, and if you ride it out, it will go away, and then you will have really nice glowy skin afterwards, and it's totally worth it. Awesome. I find a good skincare routine is probably the most important part of getting ready. Next, we have our multi-peptide lash serum and brow serum. It helps make your lashes grow a little bit longer. And you just put it on your eyeline. Perfect. Lovely. And then next I do caffeine solution to help brighten up my face, make it look a little bit better. Just put it everywhere. You don't need much of it either. It spreads super easy. I really like the Ordinary brand from Sephora. It's a great price and it works well. Lovely. Next, I like the Tula's skincare. It's 24/7 multi-peptide hydrator. I just do 2 pumps. Put it on my face. Easy. And then the next thing I do, and the last thing I do, is vitamin C suspended in silicone. It is so nice. I love the way it feels on my skin. I just take a little bit. And I usually don't put this on my eyes, especially if they're a little bit like sore from the retinol cream. Just because I find it can tingle, but my eyes are feeling great today, so that's no issue. Lovely. Now, we're just gonna brush out our eyebrows. Awesome. We're going to curl our eyelashes and do it a few times. Lovely. Lovely. And then the last thing that we are going to do, rub off that yesterday's makeup. The last thing that we are going to do is just use like a lip chap. This one's more of like a lip gloss, but it's the closest thing I have to a lip chap, just because my lips get real dry. And that's it. That is looking good on a no makeup day. I find one of the other important things to do is make sure you tidy up your hair. It doesn't matter if you don't want to use heat, that's fine. I didn't use heat today. But what I did was I did some cool braids, put some cute elastics in there, and then I also just tied up my hair. That way it's in my face and it just looks tidied and put together. So this is a really quick tutorial on how to look good without makeup. Thanks for watching.